What's up, everybody? It's your boy Satt coming to you with today's stock pick, news, and indicator help. No face, just facts in 5. I do the research so you don't have to. Make sure you check out the Stocks by Satt 06 live stream where we keep a live feed running on some of the top stocks and indices in the market. Shout out to 11 Labs for making every video possible. Link in the description and profile. Let's dive in. Ambarella stock just exploded, and this is one of those moves that fits perfectly into the bigger AI conversation. But this is not Nvidia. This is not a mega cap chip giant. Ambarella is a smaller AI chip company getting attention because investors are starting to look beyond cloud AI and into physical AI. That means chips that help machines see, process, and react in the real world. Here's what happened. Ambarella ripped higher after Rosenblatt named the stock a top pick for the second half of 2026 with a $120 price target. The analyst called Ambarella a physical AI pure play, and that phrase matters. Physical AI is about taking artificial intelligence out of the cloud and putting it into devices that actually interact with the world. We're talking cameras, vehicles, drones, robots, surveillance systems, and edge infrastructure. That is why the stock jumped more than 26%. Investors saw the AI angle, the analyst catalyst, and the possibility that Ambarella could be tied to the next stage of AI growth. So what does Ambarella actually do? Ambarella makes vision processors and low-power AI chips. In plain English, this company helps devices see and react. Think about a security camera that does not just record video, but understands what it is seeing. Think about a drone that can process its environment. Think about a vehicle using sensors and cameras to make decisions. Think about robots that need vision to operate safely. That is the edge AI lane. Instead of sending everything back to a cloud server, more of the intelligence happens directly on the device. And that is why physical AI matters. AI is leaving the cloud. The first major wave of this AI boom was about training massive models in giant data centers. That is where Nvidia has dominated. But the next phase is about bringing AI into the real world. Robots, drones, vehicles, surveillance systems, and edge infrastructure all need chips that are fast, efficient, and capable of processing visual data. That is where Ambarella wants to play. It is not trying to be Nvidia. It is trying to power AI at the edge where machines actually see, move, detect, and respond. Now here's the bull case. Investors care because Ambarella sits inside a powerful theme. Physical AI is gaining attention. Automotive AI is growing. Robotics and drones are becoming more important. Edge AI adoption could expand across security, transportation, factories, and connected devices. This is the kind of stock that retail investors may miss if they only focus on the biggest names. Everybody knows Nvidia, but the AI supply chain is bigger than one company. There are also smaller players trying to serve specific parts of the market, and Ambarella is one of those names. The financial reality also matters. Ambarella reported Q1 revenue of $100.4 million. Sales were up 17% year over year. Adjusted earnings per share were up 57%. And the company guided for about $108 million in Q2 revenue at the midpoint. That gives investors a reason to look closer. The company is still small compared to the AI giants, but the numbers show growth, and the market is rewarding anything connected to real AI demand. But we have to respect the risks. The bullish reasons are clear. Physical AI pure play, AI vision chip demand, robotics and drone upside, and the analyst catalyst. But the risks are just as important. First, the big move already happened. Chasing after a 26% candle can be dangerous. Second, Valuation risk matters because AI names can get expensive fast. Third, Ambarella is a smaller chip player competing in a very serious market. And fourth, the stock still has a weak composite rating compared to stronger growth leaders. So this is not a blind buy situation. This is a watch list situation. Here's Satt's take. I give Ambarella an 8 out of 10 physical AI watch. I like the theme. I like the edge AI angle. I like the connection to robotics, drones, vehicles, cameras, and real-world AI. And I like that this gives investors an educational way to understand the difference between cloud AI and physical AI. But I would not chase the move blindly. A stock can have a strong story and still need a better entry. For me, Ambarella is a name to watch, not because it is the next NVIDIA, but because it shows where the AI conversation may be going next. Physical AI could be one of the biggest themes of the next wave, and Ambarella just put itself back on the radar. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Do your own research, manage your own risk, and never invest what you can't lose. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with a stock or indicator you'd like me to cover next. This is Satt, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.